What's up, y'all? Yes, indeed. Give me y'all some more real talking reactions of mine. And this reaction right here. Well, before I even get y'all this reaction, y'all share, like, subscribe, and follow your boy. Share, like, subscribe, and follow your boy. Yes, indeed. Now, this reaction right here is when Rafi finds out that his baby mama's boyfriend was about to discipline his son. And it went exactly the way I felt. And I'm loving the reaction that Rafi's grandpa giving. Check it out.
Now, I want you to be calm and cool when Rafi come up, because we don't need to be making him upset.
I ain't gonna make him upset. But he got something to deal with, and we need to get it dealt with.
Yeah,
Period.
and we'll deal with it in a nice way. We'll have a nice, calm communication.
Ain't nothing to be nice about in this situation. This is a wartime situation
Wait a
right
second,
now.
Grandpa. No, Brad. Fire against fire. That's a disaster. We don't need no fighting going on here.
You ain't never heard of backfire? I'm gonna tell you one thing, baby. You got to fight fire with fire sometimes. And ain't nobody gonna be putting his hands on my
I
little
agree.
great
I
grandson.
agree that he
That
shouldn't be.
ain't gonna happen.
I agree he shouldn't be putting his hands on her. He should be talking with
Hey
the
guys.
grandson. Hey, baby.
Hey.
So
Look
good to
down.
see
Y'all
you.
Hey,
Oh,
man,
I just
about
love the
time you come
house.
here.
It's so
We got-
nice. Oh,
Yeah, but that ain't why we
Yeah.
here.
What happened?
Okay, look, we
it's
gotta
just,
deal
it's
with the
nothing.
situation,
It's not
man.
that bad.
Look, this boy,
Hold on, just calm down now. Calm down. Just a little something happened.
a little something that happened. Look,
Little D was just explaining some things that went on, but it was nothing that serious, Grandpa.
Is he
you know.
misbehaving?
get off the
No,
violin.
he's not.
Get off the
misbehaving.
violin.
He's
Look,
just
this
a-
is a serious situation. Your baby mama boyfriend
Okay.
threatened to put his hands on little D.
Wait a
Period.
second. Was it
And
all
we
of
need
that?
to it was all that.
He didn't do anything to the boy. The boy is just
No,
going
not
through a
yet, but he
transition,
threatened.
and he
Hold on. Okay.
he didn't threaten.
What is Lil D? Where's Lil D?
He's in the
In the
house
house.
sitting down. He's
Can we let me excuse me.
yeah. Okay. Well, it's just everybody be calm and
Hey,
cool.
man, we need to
Don't-
go
we don't
over
need to
this.
upset him.
We
Can you
need-
tell him to come outside, Grandma?
Yeah.
You
Okay.
need to go over there. We got to regulate this
Grandma, I'm just saying
situation.
I wanna make sure that we hearing the right thing, because if I go over there, you know me, I'm not gonna go.
Okay. Well, we're gonna let your son tell you.
What's up, man? Come here. Um did Case threaten to put hands on you?
Yeah, yeah. This morning.
Wait, what
Okay.
he say? Tell me what happened.
So I woke up. I had to go to church, My mom asked me to. I didn't want to. I just said, can I please stay home and calm her down and just chill because I was tired. And then she said, no, I'll call your dad. Your dad will whoop you. And then Mr. Case walked in and said, why call him when I'm right here? And then he said, if I don't tell him right now, he threatened me, and then he almost whooped me.
He almost whooped you?
I know, but it wasn't that
Hold
bad.
on.
It
Grandma,
was that
Grandma.
bad.
He wasn't threatening
What did
him.
he
He
say?
was just
Grandma,
trying to,
I don't- it don't-
correct the
Grandma,
child.
that's
I
not
mean,
his
they're in the
place.
same household, I guess.
Grandma,
I
that's
don't-
not his place.
No. He don't get to tell this Rafi's son that his daddy don't matter
All right.
in the
He
situation.
didn't say that.
Yes, he
We're
did say
making
that.
more of it than what it is.
That's what it is.
No,
he
it
gonna
isn't.
tell
Now,
him.
calm
He
down.
gonna tell.
Go get your stuff.
Yeah.
Okay,
He gonna
baby.
tell. He gonna tell this boy that his daddy don't matter.
Stop.
His daddy ain't got to be there. Look,
Don't make a big deal out of
it
it.
is a big deal.
It's not
I'm
gonna-
ready
you
to go
make
back.
it-
Now, Grandpa was on that. You know what I'm saying? Grandpa was on that. Grandpa was ready to get it in. And I feel him though. I feel him. Don't be talking nothing about. Don't be talking nothing about putting your hands on mine. Real talk. I don't care what. So don't be talking nothing about put your hands on mine, because I'm a present father. I'm there in my baby's life. Don't talk nothing about putting your hands on mine. Nothing. Zero. You know what I'm saying? Cause you put your hands on mine, I'm gonna put my hands on you. It's just that simple. You know what I'm saying? For real, for real. And, hey, Rafi's handling it cool at the moment, but you can trust and believe me, he's about to go rectify that situation. And the fact that his baby mama was about to call him and her boyfriend stopped her from calling him is just stating that he wants to be put in that role of disciplinarian to Rafi's son, and Rafi definitely needs to correct that right now, not later, right now. He needs to correct that. Make sure this dude understands. You put your hand on my baby, I'm going to put my hands on you. No other exceptions. Period. That's it. There's no in between it. I don't care what my baby mama says. I don't care what she thinks. Nothing. I'm talking to you as a man. You put your hands on mine, I'm putting my hands on you. If he ever does anything that's out of line, you call me. If she don't call me, you call me. But she was about to call me. You told her not to because you apparently was going to whoop my son. And that would have caused problems between me and you. So it's very good that you didn't. Because we would have had issues. Some furniture would have been moving. I promise you. That would have been the relay. And like I said previously, I went through this before with my baby mama, which is now her husband. But still, at that point in time, I didn't care nothing about that, and still don't care about that. You know what I'm saying? Even though my kids are grown now, don't put your hands on my baby. Well, my baby is they're young ladies now. Young ladies. I'll say that. 19 and 21. Young ladies. But don't put your hands on my babies, period. I don't care what happened, what's going on. Call me. I'll rectify it. I don't care if I got to drive all the way to y'all and y'all was like 45 minutes away from me. It didn't make no difference to me. I'll drive there anytime. Don't matter what time it is to put my kids in their place because there ain't no way I'm going to be okay with you disciplining my child in any way, shape, form, or fashion. Other than you verbally speaking to them. And if speaking, that ain't threatening them. And what you're saying, if what you're saying is threatening to them, we got a problem then. But if you can't use your words without threatening them, you got a problem as an adult. So I definitely get that the Rafi's son need to respect that man in his house. Yes, indeed. But as far as him disciplining his son, oh no, it don't work like that. But watch and see what I say. Rafi's about to go correct that right now. Because that ain't no little matter. And I like the fact that Grandpa was ready to get it in. I'm telling you, I'm loving that fact that Grandpa was ready to get it in. So that alone is letting me know, hands down, that Rafi then already grew up the proper way. Because Grandpa was ready to get it in. Y'all share, like, subscribe, and follow your boy. I'm up out of here.